Hello, I am Coach Tripping. Welcome to the ultimate program to design to boost your confidence, increase your balance, and enhance your mobility. Introducing our unique self-defense and exercise routine that blends stretching, martial arts, with movements that can also be used in a dance routine, Indian club exercises, and everyday tools to create a comprehensive workout experience. Meet Trip, your guide for this transformative journey. Each week for an hour, Trip will demonstrate the techniques. Join in and track his and your progress, and show how you too can master these movements regardless of your current age or fitness level. We begin with stretching every joint, muscle group, ensuring your body is prepared for the dynamic movements. From the toes to the ankles, knees, and hips, up to the back, shoulders, neck, elbows, wrists, fingers, right? And every part of your body will be engaged, stretched, and strengthened. Next, we move on to fundamental self-defense techniques. Learn basic kicks, knee strikes, shoulder bumps, and powerful elbow strikes to protect yourself and build confidence. Understand the optimal strike points for maximum effectiveness. Every move is designed to ensure you can defend yourself with precision and power. And don't forget the headbutt, an often overlooked yet highly effective self-defense maneuver. Master various hand strikes and blocks, from the hammer fist to the palm strike. Each technique, right, is carefully explained and demonstrated. Learn to use everyday tools for self-defense. From souvenir mini bats, repurposed chair legs, flashlights, car antennas, golf clubs, old bicycle handlebars, a ruler, a scale, even a goddamn pencil. These common objects become your protective arsenal. As you progress, we'll introduce Arnis sticks and advanced center wallet techniques, enhancing your coordination, agility, and defensive skills. We show you how to wield each tool effectively, right? Striking primary target areas to neutralize any threat. Develop your defensive skills with a range of blocks. Learn how to high block, low block, inside block, right, and outside block to more effectively counter any attack. Every defense is part of an at least 3-move combo. Block the attack, redirect your attacker's momentum, and counter-strike with precision, right? You will adapt your moves and tools to the situation for maximum effectiveness. Incorporate Indian club exercises to improve your coordination, strength, and flexibility. From basic swings to advanced flows, these exercises, right, will enhance your overall performance. Track your progress alongside Trip, right? Watch your skills and confidence grow week by week as you master each movement. This system is designed for solo practice, with no need for sparring partners. The simplicity of the moves make them accessible to everyone. The only differences between the novice and the martial arts master are knowledge of the moves, attitude, and practice. This system provides all the tools necessary up front, so mastery can be achieved without joining a gym or dojo or purchasing any equipment. All you need is dedication and regular practice, right? We ensure ambidexterity with all the moves. Practice each technique with both your dominant and non-dominant sides in real life situations, right? Be prepared to react no matter your body position, as long as you have proper balance, which is crucial. Join us on this empowering journey, right? Increase your balance, boost your confidence, and learn to defend yourself with our comprehensive self-defense exercise and mobility program. Subscribe now and take the first steps toward a stronger, more confident you. Subscribe today and let's get moving with Sports Chicago Style on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the website sportschicagostyle.com.